First, remove the plastic cover from the steering column. Release the clip cover. These are the screws that hold the odometer in place. This sunshade is clipped. It takes a lot of force to pull it off. Loosen all screws to remove the cluster instrument. Now take out the speedometer to get to the back. Remove the connector. And plug the supplied harness between the odometer and the existing cable. Stow the long cable behind the odometer. Then reposition the instrument cluster in the correct position. Activation and deactivation facelift. Pull the high beam lever 5 times and wait for the turn signal. Repeat the same process for deactivation in active state. The kilometers are stopped at 100%, no flashing and no sound as confirmation. In deactive state, the kilometers are counted at 100%, no flashing and no sound as confirmation.